These are not ordinary chicken drumsticks. These are so special. They are butterfly cut, fully loaded with flavorful peri peri masala. And the best part is these are air fried, crispy outside, tender inside, so healthy and absolutely delicious. Hello everyone, welcome to HomePlateDelights. If you are new to this channel, please do subscribe and support the channel. Let's get started. To make peri peri masala, in a bowl add 1 tablespoon of red chili powder, 1 tablespoon of onion powder, half a tablespoon of garlic powder, quarter tablespoon of oregano, quarter tablespoon of black pepper powder, half a teaspoon of sugar, salt as per your taste. Give it a good mix. And that's it. Our peri peri masala is ready. So quick and easy. The next part is we are going to cut the chicken drumstick. This is a special cut we are going to give on this drumstick. It's called butterfly cut. Just give a slit in the center. Next, use your palms, gently push the meat away from the center on both the sides. Press it lightly and there you go, butterfly cut chicken drumstick is ready. Let me show you another one quickly. Give a deep slit right in the center. The knife should touch the bone. Now push the meat away from the center. If it is too hard, you can cut on the sides as well. This makes the job even more easy. And that's it. Here all butterfly cut drumsticks are ready. I have 6 pieces. Drizzle about a tablespoon of olive oil. Next, it's time to sprinkle our flavorful peri peri masala on each of the drumsticks. The special butterfly cut really helps the peri peri masala to go deep inside the chicken and make every single bite super tasty and flavorful. Sprinkle it evenly on the backside of the chicken as well. For this recipe, after sprinkling the masala, we are not rubbing or mixing it with our hands. Just leave it aside for 3 to 4 minutes. The natural moisture from the chicken itself enough to help peri peri masala to stick beautifully with the drumsticks. And once it is done, take it straight to the air fryer. Carefully place them in a preheated air fryer. Bake it for 15 minutes on each side at 350 Fahrenheit. Exactly after 15 minutes, I am flipping it to the other side. If you want, you can spray some oil. It's totally optional. Air fry it for another 15 minutes. Wow, look at this. Beautifully cooked. Perfectly all the masala is sticking to the chicken. Let's take it out. Serve this hot with your favorite sauce. I hope you enjoyed this special peri peri masala chicken drumsticks. I have many other air fried chicken recipes on my channel. Please check that out. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time.